Hello guys, this is Laura Concepts, and today I have another thing I have to share with you. It's a mini oscilloscope. No, it's not that expensive, but I wanted to try it. So it's a brand called Frnsi or something. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is what it is. So it's DSO TC3. This is a digital oscilloscope transistor tester. Yeah, it's a 3-in-1 oscilloscope, right? It's a transistor tester, digital oscilloscope, and also a signal generator. Actually, I think, yeah. So in here it's 284.5 grams. Blah blah blah. Little. Nothing much here. Okay, let's open the sorry. Okay, I have no assistant in here, so I'm recording from myself and unboxing from one hand, so I'm sorry. So let's open this up. This is black box, and it's manual, product accessories inside. Yes, inside. Oh shit. Okay, I can see a lot of there. So I'll keep this aside. So it's a user manual. Okay, I think it's Chinese. Yeah, English is there. I have to read it. So keep there. Don't know what is this. It's a warning card. Before using the device, measure the capacitor. Please discharge the capacitor first. Okay. Such the device while charging is prohibited. Don't use this device while charging. Okay, guys, remember that. Do not mix the KAA holes. I don't know what it means, but don't mess it up. Don't miss voltage beyond 40 volts. Has no reverse connection protection function. Okay, so please don't reverse the measurement when using it. No reverse connection protection. Okay, keep in that mind. So this is what is this? Okay, I don't know fancy item. Is the oscilloscope itself? It's very tiny, lightweight. It's portable. Oh, it's portable. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay. So this is the oscilloscope. You can see me as well, my phone as well. I don't have professional camera. I'm recording with my mobile phone. So yes, it's a single channel one. Input 0 to 40 volts, DTS and DSO. Okay, so in the back, nothing much. 5 volts, 1 ampere, 5 watts, and it has a 1500 milliamp hour battery, and it supplies 3.7 volts. Okay, nice. So how do I turn this on? Oh yeah, okay, it's turning on. It's oscilloscope, it's a signal generator, and tools, tester. Those are things. And this is the clamp. I don't know what's the actual name for it. You have to put the equipment in here, and then you can tighten it up with this lever kind of thing. Okay. So in the oscilloscope, yeah, you can adjust. Oh, it has no battery. Oscilloscope. Yeah, I can generate sine waves, square waves, pulse, triangle, RAM, and DC. Okay, that's great. Tools, what's inside tools? On off voltage, DS, heat, code, calibrate. Okay, you can calibrate this as well. M tester. So tester. Oh, this is the M tester. M tester thing. You can plug a thing in here and test. Okay, let's go. Nice. Okay. I'll give a very deep video on this one. So stay safe. I'll give you a fully detailed video. You can put the link in the description as well. Okay, for the next time, see you soon. Bye. It's the charging port as well. It is Type C. Yeah, that's it. Bye.